Today we're going to discuss how to start Nissan car with a dead battery key fob. So the first thing I'm going to show you, this is the hack and tricks. It's the first thing you are going to do is you need to open the door using inside key of this key fob. So to remove the key, you just need to flip this one, and there's a tab button here. You just need to press it, the tab, and then you pull this key. So after you pull the key, you are going to put it in the, and just to open it. So now we assume that our key fob battery is dead and we cannot start the car. Here's my key fob. I'm going to remove the battery to make sure that the key fob don't have battery. So now I removed the battery, and let's get inside to start the car. So now let's start the car and see. It says here key ID incorrect. So what you are going to do is you see this key fob right here. So now the car is starting, even though without a battery. So you can still reach your destination and find a battery for a replacement. Look at the link at the description. I will put the link at the description how to replace the battery of your key fob. Thank you for watching.